Stains from spills not cleaned promptly can totally wreck your floors and furniture if you don't act fast. So like, when something spills, don't just sit there hoping it'll dry or disappear. Grab a clean cloth or paper towel and soak up as much of the spill as you can right away. Then, pick a cleaner that actually works for the surface, like use a wood cleaner for hardwood or a fabric-safe one for upholstery. Avoid rubbing hard because that can spread the stain or mess up the material. Just gently blot and lift it. If it's something stubborn like wine or coffee, mix some mild soap with water and dab carefully. For carpets, using cold water helps avoid setting the stain deeper, and a little vinegar can be a lifesaver. Remember to test any cleaner on a hidden spot first so you don't ruin your stuff. Lastly, always dry the area well after cleaning to stop mold or mildew from showing up. One of the biggest mistakes people make with spill stains is waiting too long to clean them, which lets the stains set and get way harder to remove. Fix that by reacting fast every time you spill something. Another common slip-up is using the wrong cleaner, which might damage your surfaces or leave sticky residues. Always check what's safe for your specific material before using anything. The third issue is scrubbing too hard, thinking it'll help, but it usually just spreads the stain or wears down the fabric or finish. Instead, blot gently and be patient with the process. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect for homeowners who want to find reliable local contractors without all the hassle of guessing who's good. Plus, contractors get a solid way to connect with people looking for their skills, making work easier to find and trust.